Want to know how to make it easier to type things on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer? Here we go. Text replacement feature on your iPhone. Now, I'm not sure how long this has been here on the iPhone, but chances are you have this feature, no matter what version you are running. So let's give you an example on how you would use the text replacement feature. First, let's go to Settings app, and then find General, and then find Keyboard, and select that. In the Keyboards section, you'll see Text Replacement. Select that, and let's click on the plus sign to create an example. Plus sign is in the upper right. Say email address is something you constantly enter online. So I'm going to put in techwithmike@gmail.com. And in the shortcut, which is optional, but I'm not sure why it's optional, under the shortcut box, for this example, let's use 2 @ symbols and click Save. Let's create another one. Click the plus sign. The phrase you're going to use for this one is on my way. And in there, put OMW for on my way. Now, this shortcut can be anything you want, but obviously you want it to be shorter than what you're typing, right? So let's save that. Let's open up a new text message. In the text field of the message, type in 2 @ symbols. And if you look at the bottom, you'll notice when you do that, watch the middle right below the text. The email address shows up under there. You click that, and now you have your email address filled in. You type that long email address with just 2 keystrokes. You could actually make it 1, but 2 is recommended. We can try the other one that we entered in there. On OMW, on my way. So you can use this text replacement feature for anything, but wait, there's more. You just enter this on your iPhone. It also means that you can use this on your iPad and your MacBook or your iMac or any Apple product that has a keyboard. Here, a new message in the Messages app on my Mac. If I type in 2 @ symbols, watch what happens. Down below, it shows my email address. If I say on my way, OMW, it shows that as well. So any settings that you enter on your iPhone automatically gets put over to your other devices. Now, to edit or add more text replacement items from your Mac, you can do this right from the System Preferences. Click on the Apple, go to System Preferences, and find Keyboard. In there, the Text tab. Click on that, and then you'll see your items. You can add stuff like OMG equals oh my God, as everyone should know. And if you go down to here, to your text message, OMG, oh my God. And if you go back to your iPhone and type in OMG, it's already there. Again, you can use this text replacement for anything you want. I recommend keeping the shortcut as short as possible, no less than 2 characters, and you'll be good to go. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the text replacement feature. If you want to be part of making this show great, please consider becoming a patron at patreon.com/techwithmike. Signing up at patreon.com/techwithmike and contributing can give you access to exclusive content. So please consider contributing to the show. If you have a technology question that you'd like me to try to answer for you, please consider emailing us at techwithmike@gmail.com or going to the techwithmike.com page and clicking on Contact and Show Topic Suggestions.